Hello everybody, so today I want to show you how to find the limit. We need to do common denominator, so this one we need to multiply by f and s on numerator and denominator. This one that is about s minus number 1. Now we need to combine two factors in here. So we have negative s plus 1. So when s approaches to number 1 on the right, so we put number 1 go in here, number 1 go in here. So this one you got number 0, negative number 1 plus 1 you got number 0. We put number 1 go in here, so you got number 0. So in this situation, we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So in this one, we need to do first derivative of this one. So we have like this. Later that, we need to do first derivative of s multiplied by f and s. First derivative of s, we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Now we do similar for the next one. This is about the product rule of derivative. So this one we have 1 over s. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1 because first derivative of s we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 1 over s. Now we simplify and you got number 1. 1 minus 1 we cancel. 1 over s multiply this one. And we have 1 minus 1 over s. So when s approaches to number 1, we put number 1 go in here, number 1 go in here, you got number 0. We put number 1 go in here, 1 minus 1, you got number 0. So in this case, we need to use L'Hospital again. So we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 over s. This one we have 1 over s. This one we have positive 1 over s squared. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Now we put number 1 go in here, number 1 go in here and here. So we have the final answer. That is about 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.